Have you ever wondered how you could start making money online, right from the comfort of your home? Imagine having that extra income flowing in consistently without any initial investment. Today we're diving into the world of online side hustles, and by the end of this video, you'll have 3 tested and proven ideas to kickstart your journey to financial freedom. No fancy skills required, and the best part? It won't cost you a penny. And hey, if you're new here or you've been with us for a while now, welcome back to Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income. Number 1, creating and selling logos. You see, platforms like Fiverr are buzzing with logo creation services, with sellers making thousands of dollars a month. The demand is real, and it's growing. Now you might be wondering, how can I get a piece of this pie? Well, that's where our tool called Kittl comes into play. With its intuitive templates and AI logo generator, creating professional logos has never been easier. You can customize designs, tweak colors, and add your unique touch with just a few clicks. Take a look at sellers on Fiverr with thousands of reviews. They're making bank by offering logo design services ranging from $30 to $200 and beyond. These are basic logos, folks. Nothing too fancy. Yet, they're generating 6-figure incomes. It's a testament to the demand for logo design in today's market. So, what does this mean for you? It means that with a bit of creativity and the right tools, you can tap into a lucrative market and start making money from your design skills. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or just starting, there's room for everyone in this industry. So, why not give it a shot? Number 2, designing product labels. Think about it. Product labels are like a silent sales pitch. They inform, they engage, and businesses are willing to invest to make their products stand out. Now you might be wondering, how can I do this without a background in design? Enter Kittl, the game changer. Its label templates make it a breeze to create customized stickers that add that personal touch to any product. Check out online stores dedicated solely to selling product labels. These businesses are raking in substantial monthly incomes. It's proof that there's a high demand for this service, and businesses are willing to invest in unique, eye-catching labels. So what's in it for you? It means that with a bit of creativity, you can help businesses enhance their products and make money in the process. Kittl's templates make the design process straightforward, even for beginners. The potential here is vast, and all you need to do is seize the opportunity. Now, if you're finding these strategies exciting and valuable, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. You don't want to miss out on future insights and strategies for turning your passion into online income. Number 3, selling digital printables. Digital printables cover a wide range, from calendars and planners to educational worksheets and printable artwork. The appeal lies in the convenience and customization they offer. People can instantly get what they need without waiting for shipping. Consider online shops solely dedicated to selling printable wall art. These shops have not only made substantial profits, but they've also tapped into a market where simplicity and motivation sell like hotcakes. The artwork is often minimalistic, motivational or inspirational quotes on a clean background. Now, you might be wondering where to showcase your digital printables. Platforms like Etsy and Fiverr are excellent choices. Set up your shop, create eye-catching listings, and start reaching potential customers. Utilize mock-ups to show how your printables can look in real-life situations, increasing their perceived value. So, what does this mean for you? It means entering a market where digital products are preferred for their convenience and customization. With Kittl's quote generator, creating unique quotes becomes a breeze. The potential here is enormous, especially considering the lower production costs compared to physical products. Now that we've explored these 3 lucrative side hustles and touched on where to sell your digital printables, you might be wondering which one suits you best. But before we wrap up, remember that creating logos, designing product labels, and selling digital printables are not just about making money, but entering markets with a genuine demand. Remember, success in these ventures requires dedication and hard work, but the potential rewards are worth it. Which side hustle are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. So, if you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe for more financial insights to join us in revealing the secrets behind fortune. Only here on Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income.